What is it?
Shake and bake.
What are you mixing?
We're gonna see if Aaron can put the stem on the apple.
Or girl?
You get it?
Not sure which one yet. What do you got in there, Tara? What's in there? What's gonna happen?
Oh, gonna be a little boom.
You're having a boy.
What am I having?
Boy. Girl.
What am I having?
Boy.
Huh?
Girl.
What am I having, Bill?
Boy.
Team girl.
What am I having?
Girl.
Chip.
Boy.
Brink.
Girl.
What are we having, Tara?
Girl.
What am I having, Dad?
Boy.
What are we having?
Girl.
Pat.
Boy.
What are we having?
Boy.
What are we having, Anna?
Baby.
Mother, what are we having? And
Girl.
Brad.
Boy.
Oh. JD, Drew.
Boy. Girl.
I don't know.
Golden ticket, baby.
Ooh.
Boy.
What are we having?
It's a girl.
I need to get a bigger gun.